Yo, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get verified on Snapchat, guys. So if you want to learn how to do this, guys, it's going to be very simple. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do this. So just watch till the end of the video. It's very simple, guys. So before we get into this video, guys, I have this red iPhone XR that I'm giving away. So if you want to win this phone, guys, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone down in the comments to be entered into the giveaway. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial.
Just open up Google and then type in the search URL at the top, odexgen.com, and make sure you're doing this on a mobile device, guys. It will not work on a computer. Alrighty, guys, so once you're here, just scroll down until you see the Snapchat Plus Plus app. So go ahead and click on it once you find it, guys, and it's going to say app tweaking required. You'll see an orange button that says download Snapchat Plus Plus. So just going to click this orange button, guys, and it's going to say tweaking app. So what this is doing, guys, is just preparing your phone to download the Snapchat Plus Plus app so you guys can get your verified account. Alrighty, guys, then it's going to say preparing human verification. So what this means, guys, is it's going to be sending you to a CAPTCHA completion challenge, or in other words, a human verification test, just to make sure that you're a real person and not a robot, guys. So this step is very simple. All you need to do is complete the 4 simple offers that are given to you, guys. So with each app that you get, you want to install each app and run each app for 30 seconds. And then with the surveys, guys, I'll go ahead and show you guys what to do with the survey. You just click on it, and then it'll send you to a website, and you just want to answer this few simple questions that it gives you, guys. These are very, very simple. Alrighty, guys, then it's going to ask you to verify your email, so just go ahead and click here and then type in your email, guys. Alrighty, guys, so once you do that, it's going to say thank you, email confirmed. So what you guys need to do is just go back to your offers and complete the rest of your offers. So once you complete all 4 of them, guys, then you will have the Snapchat Plus Plus app downloaded to your phone automatically, so you guys can get your Snapchat account verified.
Once again, before I go, I have this red iPhone XR that I'm giving away. So if you want to get this, guys, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone down in the comments, guys. Alrighty, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope this tutorial helped you guys get verified on Snapchat.